Hello everyone. In this video, I will be simulating a football match between Real Madrid versus Barcelona. This simulation is performed in ROS 2 and the simulation shows us the scoreboard of a dummy match between Real Madrid and Barcelona. So the idea is to publish the goals scored and time using the simulation software that is ROS 2. People usually think that ROS is used for robotics, but actually this is much more fun using it for other tasks as well. If you have been watching my videos, I have been recording these videos because I'm learning ROS 2 by myself, and it's been 2 weeks, I think, and I reached this point, and this is, I think, my favorite project so far that I did using ROS 2. So I will simply show you the results, and later on I will tell you how to do this step by step, line by line, and code by code. So I want to show you the result of this simulation between Real Madrid versus Barcelona football match. And this is the simulation for scoreboard. So it shows us that how we use publisher and subscribers. So I have already done this project, so I will simply write the command and run the publisher. So ROS2 football scoreboard. I created this package and then created this publisher scoreboard publisher. So you will see it will simulate the football match between Real Madrid and Barcelona and show us the scoreboard. So you can see Real Madrid 0, Barcelona 0, and it is showing us time. Each second represents 1 minute. So this simulation will actually be performed for 90 seconds, which will be equal to 90 minutes. You can see at 9th minute, Real Madrid scored a goal. So it gives us this notification that goal Real Madrid scored at 9th minute. So we can also add other items over here. For example, the goal scorer who scored this goal. Maybe Cristiano Ronaldo scored at 9th minute for Real Madrid. Okay, and you will see after this simulation reaches some certain point, Barcelona will score a goal or not. I'm asking you, what do you think? You will see that later on in few seconds. The idea is that in this simulation, I created Real Madrid as a home team, Barcelona as away team, and similarly their goals. And then I created a node and publisher using that to make this code and simulations. So now you can see at 63rd minute, Barcelona also scored a goal. So it gives us this notification that Barcelona scored a goal at 63rd minute. We can also add another notification over here that could be Messi scored for Barcelona. So it's up to us. But the main concept is that ROS2 can also be used for other types of programmings instead of doing only for robotics. ROS2 stands for like robotic operating system, right? So the idea is that not it is not only for robotics. In fact, you can do other programmings. So this is one of the basic project that I have done so far, but it is very interesting. And you can see at full time, it is giving me this notification of Real Madrid 1, Barcelona 1. In the next video, I will tell you how to program this step by step. If you have watched my previous videos, actually, it will be very easy for you to grab the concept for this. It is not difficult. I'm already telling you. You just have to create a publisher, add these message. Okay, one more thing. This publisher is actually uses a message, custom message that we create in robotic operating system 2, this ROS2. So previously what we did, we were creating publishers for all the states. For example, we did one drone example and we created a publisher for velocity and then another publisher for altitude. So instead of creating multiple publishers, because if we talk about drone, there are many other states as well. It's rolling angle, pitching angle, battery status. So if we create different publishers for each state, it becomes time consuming and the code becomes inefficient. So in order to solve that problem, what we can do is that we can create custom message in ROS2, and then we need to create only one publisher. And that is the idea behind this simulation. And you saw that Real Madrid and Barcelona scoreboard was simulated, and we saw the result at the end.